Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Barefoot Lawyer Reports. My name is Will Deathridge, the producer, and joining as always is Chen Guangcheng.
Hello my friend, I'm glad to see you here again.
Today we're going to be discussing the revision of an espionage law in communist China, which broadens the definition of what espionage is. Guangcheng, can you explain what exactly is changing in this law and how that might impact Chinese citizens?
Yeah, in fact, in the espionage law, the Communist Party want to control all the citizens in mainland China. But the terms are not very clear. The Communist Party made them vague on purpose. So in the future, if they want to punish people, they can use that law.
So it lets them target anyone they want, right?
Yeah. Only one term is very clear. The Communist Party said if they suspect the Chinese citizens will expose the Communist Party in another country, they will destroy their passport. And another thing is the Communist Party add one term about the citizens visiting foreign website. If you climb the firewall to visit foreign websites the Communist Party don't like, they can use that law to punish.
Right. And I'm reading here in this article from the Epoch Times, which we will share. It says and I quote, "The scope of subjects of stealing secrets is expanded to other documents, data, materials, and items related to national security and interests." So that could refer to really anything that if the Communist Party, if you get on their bad side, they can probably argue that any document, data, material is related to national security interests, right, Guangcheng?
Yeah.
How will this impact Chinese citizens doing business in other countries or visiting or studying in other countries, Guangcheng?
Yes. Even the Communist Party write something in that law to threaten the foreign countries' people. If you do something, if you come in mainland China, we will try to give you trouble like that. The Communist Party, they said, even you got a green card here in the US, they can prevent you from coming back.
So, for example, if you're like a professor and you say something about the Communist Party, they can punish you even harsher now by maybe preventing you from coming back to China and seeing your family. Right?
Yes, that is the Communist Party one. Because for example, the Communist Party tried to scare the journalists. The Communist Party has 800 journalists living in the US.
How have your friends in China reacted to this expansion of this law? How are they responding to this?
And the people understand the Communist Party want to control the Chinese people more and more. They understand the human situation will getting worse and worse. They will be very careful to do the human rights work. I think some people are scared, but a lot of human rights activists, they will continue to do the human rights job.
Well, it's good to hear that human rights activists and lawyers aren't going to be deterred from their work. And we actually encourage our listeners to check out the series we have that's going on profiling several of these brave and courageous human rights activists and lawyers, right, Guangcheng?
So I think I think for the US we can do a lot. We can, if the Communist Party tried to continue to do this, we can find a way to punish them. Some people say that more than 90% for the Communist Party's children or grandchildren live in the US.
Really?
Yeah.
So laws like this would definitely impact their families and their life in America.
Yes.
Yeah, well, and we encourage you to share this podcast across Facebook. We have an Instagram account as well, and you can find us on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and other platforms like that. And share our website, catholic.edu/CHR, the Center for Human Rights. Guangcheng, thank you very much for providing this information, and we appreciate all of you for listening to another episode of the Barefoot Lawyer Reports.
Thank you, Will. Yeah, thank you, my friends. Please help us to let more people understand the evil, the devil, the counterparty.
All right.
Thank you.